This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm standing on the balcony of Unit 2712 at Burnham Pointe, a full amenity, pet-friendly building in the Printers Row neighborhood in the South Loop, in a close-to-the-loop location. You're near the river, transportation, shopping, dining, nightlife, you name it. Everything is close here. It's a very large balcony with just spectacular sweeping views out to the west. Sunsets are going to be dazzling. You have wide plank flooring that extends throughout the living areas. You have a really spacious living dining area here. Tons of flexibility in how you can lay out the space. Open, great room style kitchen. You have high ceilings. Very wide peninsula with granite counters, honey-colored upper and lower cabinetry with 42-inch uppers. Ceilings have to be at least 10 feet here. Kitchen has stainless appliances, a gas range, tile flooring, built-in microwave and dishwasher. This is the foyer where you would have entered the unit. And you have a wide coat closet, full-size stackable washer dryer, and a powder room. Great setup when you have guests over. They don't have to be in your sleeping area. Look at the size of this room. This niche here would lend itself well to dining space for 6. Heading into the bedroom, which is carpeted and very large. Floor-to-ceiling window, looking out to the west. Go to sleep with Chicago's really special sunsets. It's a large walk-in closet with organizers. Then you have an oversized bath that has a deep soaking tub, wide double bowl vanity, and a walk-in shower. This is a very unusual one-bedroom, both for its size, the size of the terrace, the views that it offers, this terrific kitchen, and a fireplace. If you're looking for something out of the ordinary, you really should put Burnham Pointe on your must-visit list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.